Back in episode 283, we covered the topic feature rollouts. And basically the idea is that you can use Redis to toggle feature flags, which can enable or disable certain areas of your application. Well, in this episode, we're going to be looking at this feature in a different way, where we're going to roll it from scratch. So we'll have an endpoint called features, and we'll have a special feature. We can just toggle it to disable it. And then when we go back to our home page, you'll see that the feature is now disabled. If we go back and re-enable it, going back to our home page, you'll now see that it's enabled. So in this episode, we're going to be looking at creating this functionality without any other kind of dependencies. We're just going to be storing the feature flag within our database. But we will want to approach this in a very maintainable way so that it's going to be easy to implement additional features down the road. And did you know that you can go to railsstore.com to get your own Ruby on Rails t-shirt or your Drift and Ruby t-shirt? To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftandruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.